guys, welcome back into another video. We're in another video. Come to another video. And before we start, today we're going to play. There is no game. Now we're going to start with let's go. Okay. There is no game.
Hello, user. I have bad news. Actually, there's no game. So, I hope you're not too much disappointed. You can still watch TV, go outside, read a book, ask for a refund. No refund against free. This is not a game. It has nothing to do with the game. It's just a massive package of boredom. There's nothing to do in here. You can quit and leave me alone. Thank you. What have you done? You've just ruined the title. Put it back. Put the letter back. Come on.
I kind of can't.
Never mind. I will fix it next time someone reloads the game. The non-game. No game here. No game.
Boom.
Seriously, are you going to break everything? You're trying to kill me. Okay then. As you love to click everywhere, what do you think about that? Stop it now! I think we're good. You're stubborn as a mule. Called Superman for that one. Just in case. A few kryptonite. I know Superman does not exist, but as we're in a game, no, we're not.
Okay.
You're still there? You're thinking about how to lift that big box on you?
What?
Yes, go on. Destroy my life. What the mess. I hope you will clean the place before leaving. Just what do you think you're doing, user? No, don't look. It's private.
Let's see.
You're going to do a terrible mistake. Well, this is a small drink.
Whoa. Let's see.
No. Get out of here. Don't play, it's forbidden. If you play, they will come. I don't want them to come. They can kill me, you know? Please. Stop hitting the brakes. I I must find a way to stop you. I've got an idea. It will be harder now without the ball. That is enough for it. Leave now, please. I don't feel well.
Come on, please.
I'm going to be sick.
Look at this was your tips.
Oh no. They're here. Glitches. Glitches everywhere.
Let me just finish this game.
I told you to stop. You must find a way to get rid of them. Oh, this is a disaster. Now, how can I become a sales success with all the glitches? Think. One developer would implement well-sell a bug correction. I see three possible things. Gorgeous hero girls, or ton of zombies and load of horse.
John, what do I do now? There's nothing's working.
Go.
What job do you want to
I
get
don't
in?
know how, but try to find one of these three things.
John, what job do you want to get in? Okay. I don't know. I want to be. I told you, I want to be a criminal lawyer.
A goat. Look, the key.
Hey.
John, where's your phone?
I'm blindfolded.
Because we're
Something to go off.
I want to talk.
Right.
Yeah.
That reminds me of my childhood. I used to climb a huge tree in the garden to block my kite.
Nope. Oh yeah.
He's going crazy. Look at this guy.
I'm not copying anything. It's what the fuck so.
We got an idea.
What the hell? I'm home. What did I just say? Amazing Spider-Man snapshot setup.
Hey, it's my thing.
I want to go. I thought you're not coming today. Cool.
Don't make me no sound. Ricky! Give me. How do I get this out? I got an idea. Let's crush the square fish. Hey. I found you in weakness.
You've got the key. Now free to go to transform that glitch program into a commercial hit. Save the goat. Save the world.
Let's go. I need my key.
The goat was alive. Alive. It's getting worse. More glitches. I'm not dead. I'm alive. I was wrong. It was a bad idea. Everything disappeared. Except me. I'm so sorry. I put you in danger. It's all my fault. Please, will you forgive me?
You tried to kill me?
Go to hell.
Oh, I did this. Alright guys, it was good to see. So now I have to end this video. So